Now, I will have to say this is much prettier than what I thought it was going to be. Hey guys, it's time for a IPSY bag. That's right, the IPSY Original. It used to be called, I think, the Glam Bag, but they changed it to Original, and I think they've changed their packaging, and this is my very first one to ever get. Because, I don't know, I must have been too busy getting other products. I'm not certain why I never chose to get IPSY. But I've had extra for quite a while, and I decided I'll get their IPSY Original, and I'll have to say the Marilyn Monroe had a little bit to do with it. The bag in here is so cute. We just gotta wait and see. I know you've already seen it, but that's one reason I got it. So hey guys, Miss Jackie Russell, my name's Vicki. I'm so glad to have you here today to go through my first bag. I'm going to get everything out, which is pretty easy to do. Now these are mostly samples, but I want you to know I got 3 full sizes in my bag, and this is the cute little satin bag. Isn't that just adorable? Now I will have to say this is much prettier than what I thought it was going to be. And I thought it looked kind of funny, with that bow on there. I'm telling the truth. That's what I thought. But now that I've got it and that it's all satin filling, this is gorgeous. And it's such a clever design. And it does look like a bow. Yeah, so let's see what kind of present I have inside here. Now I know everybody gets different things and some of the same things. But what I got in my bag, I didn't get to pick anything. They sent everything to me and told me what I was going to get. And I guess that happens when you do IPSY Original, because I did a second subscription. I didn't get to pick any of that either. They picked it for me. So I guess that's something that they do whenever you do IPSY for the first time. They just select for you based on your profile. Now, I don't know if that's exactly true, but that's what they tell you. Now, this month is June 2026. Blend the rules. Turn up the color, take up space, make them look, because beauty isn't about impressing, it's about expressing. And I'll have to say yes to that. It's an expression. And on the back side, we have a sneak peek of next month, which is coming around real quick. And we're going to have some Benefit Cosmetics, some Bioma, and Dose & Cabana Light Blue Eau de Parfum. And I have that perfume, and it's very nice. It's got a real light scent to it, and I think you would love it. And then, of course, you've got the Benefits going on right now as their special edit sale. If you're interested in Benefit Cosmetics, you'd save quite a bit. I think it's like $45.99 in the shop. So guys, I guess this is what's in my bag, and it's going to tell me about each product. Now this is kind of nice because a lot of times I have to go online to find out all this information, but it might be easier to read it from online because the wording is so small. But the first thing that I got was an Aether Beauty, and it's a Desert Mirage blurring powder, and it is a mini deluxe, and it didn't have a value on it because I looked it up, but it does have their name on there and their cute little packaging with Aether Beauty. And I think I can just lift this up. It does have a little band on there to hold it down so it's not flipping and getting loose, and you just undo that and then it pulls up your makeup. And it has a little cover over it, and this is a blurring powder that you would use to finish. So let's just try it out. It says to get a big poofy brush, so this would be one that I would use for powder. And let's just try it out. Let's see if it blurs and finishes my look here. I don't even know if I can tell that it's putting it on. I'm going to put it on my hand. I think it is putting some on there. And I can see it blowing around, so to speak, you know, when you do that. See that? Oh, yeah. I just saw it in the camera. Look. So it does poof out some powder. So that's great. This is the perfect size to keep in your purse. So, all right. That's a good thing. And then you just pull the strap down and it keeps it intact. So that's very nice. That's my first item. My second item that they sent me, and I don't know how they do their picks. If you do it in the order that I seen it, I had this feel, and this is an enzymatic exfoliating cleanser. So I'm assuming that you just, well, I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, so I'm not going to take the tab off. Let me read about it. It's Feel Beauty, and it says that you'll love it because this gentle cleanser helps lift away dirt and dull skin to reveal a radiant, healthy-looking glow. It's got papaya enzyme. Okay, it's got me at that. Works its magic to gently dissolve dead skin cells while leaving your skin feeling soft, not stripped. Reach for this when your complexion is feeling dull and tired. So I might just try that because of the word papaya. Papaya has great enzymes in it. Did you know that we even get enzymes from papaya for our stomach acids? If you ever want to, take something to help your food to metabolize faster, you would want a papaya-based enzyme. So this is probably great for the face. So that's wonderful. Okay, yeah, I'll probably give that a try. Maybe I'll go ahead and open it up and see what it smells like. Just peel it back. Ooh, it smells good. It's got a nice, it's kind of got a little bit, I think, of the papaya scent. Yeah, I think so. It smells good. It smells fruity, I can just say that for sure. And it's just a light scrub, and it feels good, and that's the name of the company. Feel. Yeah, that's something new. I've never heard of that company. So that smells really good. I like that. So I'll try that out. Okay, the next thing that we got, which is a full size, was a liner. And this liner is Rebel Eye Definer Longwear Gel Liner in deep green. So I got the green. I think some got the black. It's bold, defined lines, stay put from morning to night. This gel liner has a smooth, gliding, creamy texture, smudge resistant. Vitamin E supports a smooth, comfortable application. Wear it sharp, smudged, or layer. The maximum impact, and it's Latino founded, female founded, clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, and it is a full size and is a $19 value. Now, I don't know if I can get this opened. They do package these things really good. So good that it's hard to get them opened. Ah, I got it going. Yay, I think I got it. Well, partly. Okay, there, I got it. A $19 value, and this is the color, so it really is green. It's a deep forest green. Probably go with my forest green mascara that I have, but I don't have that on. But it said you could layer, so I may put this on top of my brown. Can you even see it? I can see it up there in my mirror, but I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, I don't know that y'all can see it. But anyways, it's a pretty color, and it went on really good. And I don't want to come under my eyes because I have them. What do I have on? I think I have a brown on. So I'm going to leave it that way, but I did put a little bit of that green up there. I just don't know if you can tell. But anyway, very nice eyeliner, and more than paid for my bag. With my tax, it was $18, so that was $19. So that, along with my other two little deluxe samples, has paid for my box. My next item is another full size, and it's a IPSY Hydra Lip Treat, and it's tinted lip balm. And I thought it was a blush. So it's the Hydra Lip Treatment. The full size is $8. And experience an award-winning lip hydration in this tinted chubby stick that fuses color with care. The buttery balm treats your dry lips with hyaluronic acid and natural oils, instantly soothing and softening with a hydrating effect. A healthy looking pouch. So that makes my bag, as far as full-size products, $27. So that's not bad. And let's see the color. Well, not bad. It looks like it could be a blush too. And you won't be able to see it with my red lipstick, so I'm not even going to put it on my lips. But I like that. I like that chubby thing. That'll work out really good. So IPSY's a good product too. So I'm liking that. So far my first bag is really good. Now my next item and last item that they picked for me was the Bisha eyeshadow. And guys, this little bitty palette is $32. And I only know that because I bought it for $3.50. They had it in the edit sale with my box. And I bought a Bisha. I didn't know I was going to be getting one. And it's the Essential Baby Eyeshadow Duo. It's a $32 value, so I more than got my money's worth. $32 and $27 is $59, not counting my two mini deluxes. So even if you count them as $5 each, that would make my bag around $70 maybe. Who knows, maybe more. But here's what it looks like. It's two shades built for Dimension Velvet Plum Toronto and Rose Gold Pearl Manhattan. Sweep them on sheer for an effortless wash of color, or build them up for a deep dimensional finish. Silky, light, catching shimmer that sculpts and defines with every swipe. Now, this is the one that I had purchased, so I've already had my fingers in it. And then I have this one all intact, so it'll end up going in a giveaway at some point. And I'm building up quite the little giveaway package. But I might try this with a little bit of the lighter color. Maybe on my eyes up here. Can barely see it, but it's up there. Might be a little darker. No, it's just a little pink, not much. And then I may come down and put some of this darker right there. Oh yeah, seen that. Did you? Just a little sweep. Oh yeah, it's all it took. Very pretty. Oh yeah, okay. Well, I'm liking that. What do you guys think? And that's my IPSY bag. So I got this $32 eyeshadow. I got this $19 green colored eye pencil from Rebel. It says Rena Rebel. Maybe that's the lady's name, but anyway, from Rebel. Then I got this from IPSY, which is that beautiful little lip balm, which is going to work out great for my skin tone, as you can tell. And then, of course, I got the Aether Beauty finishing powder and the Feel, and it smells like papaya and just fruity. Oh, it smells wonderful. Well, I like my new bag. Oh, and I love this little makeup bag. Just wonderful. I got my first IPSY Original bag, and it's so cute. What do you think? Okay, guys, let me know your favorite if you have one. Ooh, I don't know what my favorite is. I will say that cleanser smells wonderful. That part's really nice. I'm going to have to say overall, my favorite's probably going to be the Bisha eyeshadow, because just a little bit went a long ways, and I love eyeshadow, but I really like my whole bag, and I hope IPSY keeps it up and I get these wonderful little bags. That'd be great. So we'll see how it goes. I know next month we got a little sneak peek, so we'll probably be seeing some of these products coming up. But that's my IPSY Original, and basically that's all I have. So guys, thank you for being with me. If you're here this long, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're not subscribed, I sure would appreciate it. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.